Have you ever pondered how artificial intelligence could revolutionize disaster response? Imagine, if you will, a world where a piece of software could predict a catastrophic event before it happens, or detect a disaster in real time, even before we humans have a chance to notice. Not only that, but this same artificial intelligence could manage the aftermath, coordinating resources and support in the most efficient way possible. This isn't a scene from a science fiction novel. This is the potential future of disaster response, and in some parts of the world, it's already beginning to happen. Later in this video, we'll delve deeper into real-life examples where artificial intelligence has made a significant difference in disaster scenarios. We're on the cusp of a new era, where technology and human resilience join forces to combat the unexpected. Imagine a world where AI not only predicts disasters, but also aids in managing their aftermath. That's the world we're stepping into. Prediction is the first step towards prevention. So, how does AI contribute here? The answer resides in the vast reserves of data that AI can sift through, analyze, and learn from. Picture a colossal library of weather patterns, geological shifts, and historical disaster data. It's a daunting task for a human to make sense of it all, but for AI, it's a playground. Let's take the example of the California wildfires. An extraordinarily complex event. Wildfires are influenced by a multitude of factors like weather conditions, vegetation, and even human activities. AI systems, however, were able to predict the occurrence of these wildfires with an impressive degree of accuracy. How did they achieve this? By drawing on extensive databases of climate data, historical fire patterns, and real-time weather feeds. They identified patterns and correlations that human analysts might miss, producing predictive models that could forecast the likelihood of a wildfire in a specific location and time frame. These predictions were not just academic exercises, they had real-world implications. With the early warnings provided by the AI, authorities had a head start. They could implement better preparation measures, execute timely evacuation procedures, and ultimately save lives that might otherwise have been lost in the blaze. AI's predictive capabilities are a game changer, giving us the time we often lack when facing natural disasters. Predicting a disaster is one thing, detecting it in real time is another. So, where does AI come in? Let's talk about the earthquake and tsunami that struck Japan in 2011. It was a catastrophic event, but one where AI demonstrated its potential in saving lives. AI systems, equipped with deep learning algorithms, were monitoring seismic activity around the clock. The moment the earthquake struck, these systems detected it and started processing the data. They analyzed the epicenter, the magnitude, the depth, and other critical factors within seconds. But here's the amazing part. These AI systems didn't just stop at detecting the earthquake. They also predicted the subsequent tsunami. They calculated the wave's potential height and speed, and estimated the time it would take to reach the shore. And they did all this in real time, providing alerts minutes before the tsunami hit the coast. Now imagine the impact of those few minutes. They gave people time to move to higher ground, to evacuate the most vulnerable areas. They allowed emergency services to mobilize, to prepare for the incoming disaster. Those precious minutes made possible by AI saved countless lives. AI's role in disaster detection is a game changer. It's not just about predicting disasters anymore. It's about detecting them as they happen and providing real-time insights that can help us react faster and more effectively. With AI, we're not just predicting disasters, but detecting them in real time, giving us precious minutes to react. Now that we've predicted and detected a disaster, how can AI help manage the aftermath? Let's take a dive into the heart of the hurricane, not literally, of course. The year was 2017, and Hurricane Harvey was wreaking havoc in Texas. The flooding was extensive, and emergency services were stretched thin. But they had an unexpected ally in this battle against Mother Nature: artificial intelligence. In the midst of the chaos, AI was used to analyze social media posts, picking up on keywords and geotags related to the disaster. This data was then used to create a real-time map of the flooding. The map didn't just show where the water was, but also where it was going and how fast. This allowed rescue teams to efficiently plan their operations, ensuring they were always a step ahead of the storm. But AI didn't stop at mapping. It also helped identify the most critical cases. By analyzing the language used in social media posts, AI could prioritize rescue missions based on the urgency conveyed in the posts. A tweet saying, "Water is up to my knees," would be flagged as less urgent than a post saying, "Water is up to my neck." In this way, AI was able to help direct resources where they were needed the most. Beyond immediate rescue efforts, AI also played a significant role in managing the aftermath. It helped in damage assessment, analyzing drone and satellite images to identify the worst-hit areas. This information was vital in directing aid and rebuilding efforts, ensuring that help reached those who needed it most as quickly as possible. In the face of disaster, AI proves to be an invaluable tool in managing the chaos and saving lives. Its ability to process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, and to learn and adapt from this data, makes it a game changer in disaster management. As we continue to harness this technology, we can look forward to a future where we are better equipped to respond to disasters, saving more lives, and building greater resilience. In the face of disaster, AI proves to be an invaluable tool in managing the chaos and saving lives. We've seen how AI is transforming disaster response, so what does the future hold? The potential developments in this field are truly exciting. Imagine a world where AI systems are not just a luxury, but a standard tool in disaster response worldwide. From predicting disasters with accuracy to detecting them in real time, AI is revolutionizing how we approach these catastrophic events. It's not just about managing the aftermath anymore, but about prevention, early detection, and efficient response. The future might see AI systems working in tandem with human teams, bringing together the best of both worlds. We could see AI systems that not only detect disasters, but also predict their impacts, enabling us to take proactive measures. The future of AI in disaster response is not just about technology, it's about saving lives and building resilience. With AI, we're not just surviving disasters, we're building resilience. The future of disaster response is here, and it's intelligent.